Hi everybody, welcome to my baking aisle. Let's bake Florentine cookies. I have here 100 grams of blanched sliced almonds and I'm going to pour that into a Ziploc bag. Next, I'm going to add 20 grams of sliced pistachio. I'm going to close up the Ziploc bag and then using a rolling pin, I'm going to gently break up the almonds and the pistachio. I'm using this method because I'm looking for a coarse texture, and you can certainly do this with your food processor if you prefer, but you have to really watch to make sure you don't overdo things. Next, I place a pan over low heat, and in that pan I add 70 grams of salted butter, 55 grams of brown sugar, and 80 grams of honey. Give that a good stir, and guys, please remember to keep your mixture on low heat, okay? And guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do so, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you'll be notified. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome. Once your mixture boils up like this, take it off the heat. While your mixture is still hot, add 20 grams of all-purpose flour and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, you want to add your almond pistachio mix. This is a time for you to add any other nuts and seeds you want to add. I am adding 1 tablespoon each of black currant, candied peel, and candied cherry. Now you're going to mix everything together until it is well combined. Now you're going to continue mixing until the mixture is well combined, cooled, and thickened. It's going to thicken and just like this, and then you know that you're ready, because if you try to spoon this on your parchment paper while it's still warm, it is going to go flat. Okay, now that your mixture is cool, you want to scoop tiny portions on a parchment lined pan. Now you're going to grab each of the dough and roll them between your palm to form a ball. Now remember to space them so that they don't come together. This cookie does spread really far. Now you're going to bake this in your oven that is already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. Don't worry if your cookie doesn't come out in a perfect circle. The trick to fixing it is to use a cookie cutter that is about 2 to 2.5 inches wide, and then cutting it sharp. Now because the tray is still warm or hot, you want to be careful, so you can use a skewer to help you remove the excess. The excess is also a very delicious snack, so just gather them and snack with your kids. It's really yummy. After cleaning up your cookies, you want to place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Guys, just look. What do you think? This cookie is so beautiful. Just look at that pop of red that the cherry is giving it, and it's so delicious. You can totally serve it like this. But guys, I am going to take it to another level because this cookie goes well with chocolate. For the next step, you will need to melt a small quantity of dark chocolate, and then you're going to spread that on one side of the cookie. And then you're going to bring a cookie that is not smelled with chocolate, and then you're going to sandwich that chocolate in between two cookies. Guys, let me tell you one thing. This cookie was so good. Everybody loved it. You need to try it. And when you do, please guys, let me know that you did try this recipe. It was so beautiful and delicious. Now, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and families, and of course, leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks again and see you in my next one. Bye-bye.